Me not feel so good. So since I say, feel like one guy about to here comes.
Me and I have nothing. You understand? I have never disrespect you on the media before. Never.
And we had issues with separating entourage.
Why now we keep?
Welcome to the social media countdown, okay? It's a Monday. Alright, so we have a whole heap of things to talk about, like Reggae Sumfest and some other drama with people like J-Frey, Triple X, and Walk and Talk, okay? Alright. Okay. Yeah. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another Monday Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Yeah, man, this countdown is going to be filled with whole heap of Reggae Sumfest conversations because, you know, it went over the weekend. I did not get to go. I didn't go to Reggae Sumfest this year because I did have other things I take care of, and honestly, I did have a little bit of, what you call that, FOMO, when you feel left out, when you were not there, because I see the interviews, them, and I say, boy, I would have shelled some of them interviews here down. But I'm glad somebody get my little rest of my yard, because, yeah, the Sumfest thing there is no joke. But anyway, we'll have a whole heap of things to go and talk about, so let us jump into this Top 10 Social Media Countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them talk me, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, TJ and DJ Mac. All right, Burritos, know, I mentioned them on the social media countdown at some point in time, and it looked like, say, TJ is still keeping this beef going. No, some time ago, he, you know, after the, what you call it, remember there was the video where they drop about Taboo, where Popcorn, Valiant, and who else did they know? Like some boxing did go on now. Basically, people from Popcorn camp must they go see DJ Mac and go box him up outside a Taboo. That is what did go on. There was a whole heap of spirit of boxation in the air. Yeah, man, and Buckler showed the whole of that, right? And so, you know, DJ Mac been saying, say it not really go so. And up till now, we don't know. I please believe it or not. Okay, so TJ now has been going on stage now and saying a boy can't box him like, box up in him face like DJ Mac. And then in compare Reggae Sumfest stage and did the exact same thing.
All I want is to DJ from 2018. Go so me a real bad boy. No boy can't box me up like DJ, man. Me not stop say that. I'm out here forward from the body's place in Jamaica. Road that so. Go boy. One like say they made it.
Oh wow, no. Like, I don't know, like, what kind of vendetta TJ have against DJ Matt now, because at this point, it's on site. When I see little things like that, that means say it pretty much is on site right now. And so DJ Mac, him see where I go on, and this would have been the first time he would have been responding to TJ shading him. And, you know, just, you know, like what some people on social media do, you just go up on your Twitter fingers, go up on your phone, and you answer back, clap back to people them. Anyway, so DJ Mac took to Twitter, and this is what he said. He said, "Wanna get this man a song fast, please." Laughing emoji. Him a lose it. Okay, and I mean, I guess I do agree with DJ Mac, because it's weird. It's a little bit weird that TJ is actually making this a thing to be sharing show after show, because no, it's like, what is really causing this beef, or is it just a moment to get seen in the public? But, you know, outside of that, TJ did a good thing. He did bring on Enchance and them have a nice like, moment, and some like to see the older artists them actually mentor the upcoming ones.
Take off them, I even feel comfortable now, just up. I don't reach it. I get my son, bro. I get my son, and then I get a call after that. So my son drop out. Same night, I get the call, say, TJ, I go call me up on Sumfest, bro. My manager called my mother before me even tell me, bro. I'm see my mother call my phone, bro. And when me and my mother ball out, can you go to Sumfest? I go cry, but not cry, bro. And you know what time, I even get booked myself, bro. I love artists like TJ.
I want to hear, bro. I love.
Young
Straight
youth, my
love.
father.
Unity. United we stand, divided we fall. Reggae Sumfest.
A situation like them, my father. Make we have to write something like them, yeah. I believe in a time, man, God. Yo, thanks, bro. I'm glad you came here Saturday night, bro.
You hear that?
So, Burritos, what do you make of this beef with DJ Mac and TJ? Sound off below. Number 9, Alice find. Alright, Burritos, now, remember Alice the crab vendor? The lady where they had the hero circle and then when she feel her little belly do a little the woman goes go, you know, she just go draw for her little stool and then go, well, it was not a stool, it's a bucket that was also functioning as a stool and she passed her stool on her stool. You see that? Alright, that is what you, into your cranium. Creative thinking, look at that, right? Okay, let me get back to the story now. So yeah, man, she did go viral now after defecating in front of her stall where she sell her crabs them and Nadine did go load her up and it was one bag of things. She apologized eventually and you know the Ministry of Health have to jump in and wash off the entire area. Now them have bathroom. It was one bag of, it was a story. And so if you don't really remember the fullness, let me just go give you a little refresher with the video here.
Woman says right there is Alice's toilet. That's where she does it.
I will never need no mystery. Like what I'm telling anybody. I drink hard beer, come here say, me not feel so good, because me have a person, me not feel so good. So say, come say, me feel like one guy about to here comes. I'm just wipe my bottom, I'm good on my knees. I never see such a video. Don't show Tada.
So you couldn't have help yourself, everything happens suddenly.
Son, alright, brother.
Oh, so you have to actually take care of it here before you move?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, they put on my uniform. I can't say that I'm supposed to prepare for this. I'm prepare for it. Look. This are the video when she. This is a white clothes, right? Mm-hmm. This is a different one at the same spot. Mm-hmm. At the same spot. Mm-hmm. You see it? This is our. What color is this? Color. This is a different color. This is a different color. A green top and a tie. This is a different color.
All right, now, and so now we have an update to the story now where Alice has been fined $250,000 US. Like me, I tell you, you know them that really wicked for doing that. But then kind of wicked for give the woman $250,000 Jamaican dollar too. Cause where is she going to find it? Well, according to me here, if them can send people through university and multiple kids, clearly them have some little cash at hand, but still it's unfortunate because at the end of the day, I'm like, boy, a part of me want like, boy, she probably learn her lesson now, get her a little blind, but boy, $250,000, I feel like I'm prefer to go to jail for like 3 days. I think I saw them with that equated. But anyway, Burritos, let me know, do you have any sympathy, empathy for Alice? Sound off in the comments. Number 8, J-Frey talks Triple X. Let's be honest. All right, now, so I know our podcaster J-Frey, former social media, content creator. He has been, making a lot of strong comments towards several different people on social media because he's going to always share his mind and be honest. And so in a recent Instagram live, where he joined, shared the platform with Noah Power as well as Triple X, he was able to just discuss everything and to vent and express his true feelings. Take a look.
Watch it. You see something here? You see, when all of man like Triple X, I laugh. I them thing that bother me, bro. Because Triple X on TikTok live, like, yeah, Triple X and them man, they and nobody. One like Triple X, them and no body dog, and them this them want to see them want to see me and you mash up, bro. I them thing that bother me, bro. Because me and you have something that run the media, the biggest thing in the country, and you make some look man like Triple X feel like say yeah them mash up, but Triple X the show will go on. No, you dead, mash up. You dead. Triple got your Triple out, you know. Triple got KC when it used to do that.
Yeah, man, and so after J-Frey talk up them something about Triple X, guess what? The people them not bring on Triple X to come in and defend himself, and so both of them end up having a Where they call this now a Burger King school challenge quiz / debating session. Watch.
One thing. What's your name again?
You know what I say? Me dey on my TikTok live over here. And my phone not stop. My phone not stop ringing off, brother. I don't want to call me over here. I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah.
But I shoot no shut off, I know, man. J-Frey,
please, no big word. Now, beg you.
Brother, you talk, you know. Me and I have nothing. You understand? I have never disrespect you on the media before. Never. Me never disrespect you nowhere else before. You allow our contact to come tell you about a fallacy.
That's not
and
true.
Name up yourself and go on the mistake. Well, let me talk. You've been attacked 50 million times. I've never come here to come address you.
Wow.
You make the man tell you one foolishness. And you said so, you jump up and you name it up and you come cuss one cuss and get all emotional because everybody know, the whole world, the entire world know that you're not really so emotionally stable. You're one of them person where have your own little, you have a little touch of, we don't wake up now. I don't really want people, I'm not trying to shade, I'm not be disrespectful, but that's call a spade, brother. You're too easy to be drawn out. You're too emotional, bro.
Triple say, which show you talk? Him say, let's be honest. Him say, oh, walkie show? Brother, a towncraft you try use conquer and divide. You are going to say, walkie show. Brother, banker use a post for them towncraft, brother. That's like if a man say, you know what, say, a shop to bus make banker they were there, and you can say, but wait, but when we got Guinness sound clash and shop to never ray, then no shop like start pray you. Yeah. Because how you call it walkie show when I me interview you?
No, ultimately, I don't really care about this now because at the end of the day, the two of them are KC boys. And this a KC boy behavior. Like, them are full of pride, them are full of ego. But at the end of the day, if them did a drive past and say, you know, the other person that are dead for thirst, them would have still help them one another. Because at the end of the day, the KC purple blood there, it's not normal. So just let them do them little thing, give them little time, it will all be alright, okay? Number 7, Floyd versus the Canadian, Miss Sumfest. All right, now, so, you know, the MC, Pretty Boy Floyd, who now goes by the name of Bossy Boy Floyd. You know, he was, you know, in charge of MC duties along with Jade. Jade did do it at this year's staging of Sumfest, right? And so during a little a break, he decided to interact with an audience member. When she went up to him, she found out that she was a Canadian, and this very funny but peculiar moment happened.
You're from you're a Jamaican?
Yes.
You live in Canada?
Of course.
How long you run off?
I've lived there my whole life.
Oh, you lived there your whole life? All right, you come home. Well, guess what? I got a souvenir to give you, courtesy of me. This is a 500 new note. I'm going to autograph it from the baddest MC in the island. But in my country, exchange is no robbery. I gave you 500 Jamaican, give me 100 Canadian. Oh yeah? This is a clear example of broke foreigner. None of them come here and no money. But anyway, darling, we appreciate you for being here tonight.
Oh gosh, no, you know the part of it when asked Pretty Boy Floyd asked her, even Pretty Boy Floyd, Bossy Boy Floyd asked her if a run off when she reached Canada. Like, you know the woman could have said them something there. But that are them type of little fun moments in my life is in between the shows. So it's not always about the performances of the artists them, but you know the MC them and just everybody showing the Jamaican culture at the reggae show's biggest night. Yeah, I don't know something I like to see. Number 6, No Show Sumfest. Me box cover. All right, now, so Reggae Sumfest now. You know, they had a stellar lineup this year. They have like Babyface, them have like Savannah. They had like so many different acts. Lauren Hill did pop through. So many things did go on, right? But there were about 3 performers that just did book but never end up perform. And these are Jada Kingdom, you had Valiant and Craft. No, according to what I hear is that Jada Kingdom did at the venue, Valiant did at the venue, and Craft did have some, you know, emergency that caused him not to be there. And so people did left like, well, go on, we'll come here to see Mama Evie. We need to see Jada Kingdom go so on the stage. We needed to see that. We wanted to see Valiant go up there and say, I'm mad out and I do the What the other one name again? I'm probably bring out Monday for do our murder bongs. And we wanted to see that. I wouldn't want to see Kraft go up there and sing the Bandyardigans type of song. Round and round. We needed to go and see that. Okay? I would never get to see it. So, Scatterborrell, you know, him is one of the organizers of Reggae Sumfest, you know, Down Sound Entertainment. He, you know, eventually shared this bit of information. Take a look.
Not with Jada, though. Why not Jada? Why Jada didn't appear?
I don't want to say for sure because I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
I don't know if she had a discrepancy with the time of her performance or what. However, I am keen to hear from her what her issues were.
So she was actually in the venue?
She was in the venue, yes. She looked quite relaxed, having a good time. And I heard she stormed out, upset. But I looked in the audience and I saw so many females waiting patiently for her. Even just now, a lot of females was leaving saying that they really wanted to see Jada Kingdom, you know. So
Fresh drop.
Absolutely.
Yeah, if you're an artist and you love music, I don't think you walk out on your fans like that. You know, because we understand the rain came and set us back. We have no control over the weather. So obviously the show is gonna run a little late, you know? But I guess other people don't really take stuff like that into consideration.
Okay.
But big up Jada.
And the Valiant story, what's that with Valiant? He didn't show. Some people are...
No, Valiant was here.
I know he was
He
in
didn't
the
perform.
venue. He performed?
No, he didn't perform.
He didn't perform, right.
No.
So,
I don't
what's
think,
the explanation for that?
I do not want to say because there's a lot of stuff that happened that was seriously beyond our control because when you're doing a festival of this magnitude, it has to be controlled. You cannot bring 300 persons or 100 persons and try to dictate how the backstage is supposed to run. And we had issues with separating entourage. And that moved into one and two different scenarios. And I guess it didn't work over well with his team.
So his entourage was bigger than you expected?
Yes, and it can be big, but we have to make allocations to keep the backstage as professional and separated and comfortable for other artists, because it's not one artist booked on the show. So we can't fill the backstage with one artist's entourage. You know, we have to respect other people's space and so forth. So we can, if you bring 100 person, we can't put 100 person there. We have to allocate special designated area for them.
So isn't there a number given to, in terms of entourage?
Yes.
Isn't there a number given to artists, how many people they can bring?
Always, but just like any other, most shows in Jamaica, those protocols are broken by artists because they have people that they care about and they want to bring them along to be a part of their success. Okay. And the promoter is the one who reels from these kind of activities because we have to think about the police, the fire department, and we have to think about adhering to the rules and respecting people's space. And when it goes wrong, we get the blame. So while trying to enforce some form of discipline, we come out as the bad guy.
So it's because you're enforcing discipline why he didn't appear?
I don't know if that's the reason, because even after we enforced the discipline, he was coherent. He was here and chilling and he was cool. But then I heard that he left.
Oh, okay. So him give a little update now. And wait I say is that some little few people can remember, you know, Valiant, Popcorn, TG, some little something that go on, right? And at these stage shows, because may I tell you, I've been, the camps them, you have to manage them. Like, them don't need police, they need soldier, they need some different, CIA, they need backstage to keep the camps them away. Because we saw a Guana sting couple years ago. These type of things can happen at Sumfest. It's just that them put in better efforts to, you know, avoid instances like that. And so I understand that now. Jada Kingdom, it totally makes sense. Because Jada, you know, Jada head, it good today. And if tomorrow she sees something where piss her off, she can just do what she do. That's a Jada style and we know this. Okay? And so it's not really that shocking. So she went there and then she never likes certain things are going and she just take care of herself. No, this is the official statement from Reggae Sumfest. Them say, And Gina can put a look at background music ready. So, to our valued Reggae Sumfest patrons and partners, Kingston, Jamaica, at Reggae Sumfest, our unwavering commitment is to deliver world-class entertainment and unforgettable experiences while upholding the highest standards for our audience. However, we recognize that, as always, we must strive to do better to meet the expectations of our patrons, partners, and sponsors. Specifically, 4 of the artists advertised, Marcy Chin, Kraft, Jada Kingdom, and Valiant did not perform as scheduled. Unforeseen issues prevented Jada Kingdom, Valiant, and Marcy Chin from making their scheduled appearance on Festival Night 1. You know, just said that a while ago. Anyway. Kraft, unfortunately, had an unavoidable emergency. The artist is eagerly anticipating performing for his fans at the next staging of Reggae Sumfest, supposed to have the hits. We understand that many of you traveled from various parishes and countries to see the full lineup, and we apologize for any inconvenience to our patrons and sponsors this may have caused. We ensure all commitments were met to guarantee the festival's overall success. All right, like all of that fluff, like this could have really said I like three line. Never need all of this. Okay, so Marcy Chin, you know, Marcy Chin actually surprised me with him about Marcy Chin. We make sure she could reach because she's actually part of Down Sound. I don't know that one that's shocking. But anyway, Berry does let me know what you make of the no-shows. You think it's neither here nor there, or you really would have loved to see them hit the stage. Sound off below. Number 5, Walk and Talk Shades J.A. Me podcast. All right, now, so remember the dynamic duo, Walk and Talk and J-Frey did upon the podcast, you know, Toxic Talk, Let's Be Honest podcast, where they interviewed the different artists, them, and, you know, had a lot of viral moments. No, it looked like so they were really not upon good terms, because in Walk and Talk's latest interview with podcasts, you know, when podcast name The Truth. Yeah, man, and Walk and Talks podcast, The Truth is Real. He sat down with Skilly Bang, and when a conversation about J-Frey was brought up, and this Walk and Talk say, watch.
It's like a such man interview, man. Such man. Like an interview, you like if I call him back for an interview, I'm going to tell.
No, man. No. Never. You see, Frey a good youth to me.
Fresh
drop. Never have a disagreement.
I'm good youth, man, but you know some fuck up style. I'm like, girl.
You see it. Me link the dog over there. And I say, yo, Frey, me I come in for your interview. And the G said to me, say, I mean, still come in. And then when I said to him, say, where would that interview me about? The G I say, things like the youth of Canada and them things there. And my dad, I say, Jay, I rate as a G, say, but bro, I'm not going to do that interview there. If I know my music career, yeah, they go interview me about. I can show you a text on my phone right now.
Brother, listen to me.
The dog listen to the voice note and don't reply. You see it, and I just stay some say, all right.
Listen to the voice and don't reply?
Yeah. When I tell him, bro, say, yo, fam, if I'm a personal life, you go interview me about, fam, I'm not going to interview me about my music. You see it? Him listen to the voice note and him not reply my father.
Maybe I show you Kyle about a manager.
Father Kyle, I'm a G, man.
Maybe that. But him now, I don't meditate him no time, because what them say to them thing where they chat about them. Bro, I go to Garrison. I sit down and so and I can't follow up that man. That man say, we're a weak frack and thing. That man, I can't follow him. I never do that shit. Respect goes out to people, nihilist to the whole of them. Just start do my thing. I'm more hold my own. More than a man can come and say, so I can take an interview with DJ Khaled. So I can take an interview.
How much I bet me say? How much I bet me say? How much I bet me say? You go call me after this, you know?
Yeah.
And say it to me. So how much I bet me say? At the most money you're gonna make in your life, right?
Oh wow. Now man, like if me never did sure say them never dip on good terms, no, it is confirmed. Walk and Talk basically say not really take no talk and listen to nobody who used to dress up in a wig and those skits online and dress and them something there. And I'm just like, wow. Wow. Like, boy, between Triple X and Skilly and Silk Bass, I know Walk and Talk, J-Frey cannot catch a break. I don't know, man. I like to see when people and friends and content creators fall out and, you know, everything is being splattered out on the public domain. I feel like, say, as big people, you know, things can be handled in a different way. But understand, if you're a realist, you're going to just be real and talk to your audience, right? But burritos, let me know what you make of Walk and Talk's comments on J-Frey. Number 4, Yohan Blake interview. Armarnii does now say, me gonna call Yohan Blake a legend because this brother has some amazing times, but imagine doing spectacular things in track only to be forgotten because you had an even bigger legend like Usain Bolt. But outside of that, Yohan Blake would have been killing Noah Lyles right now on the track because Yohan are that youth. But in recent time, he has been playing with injuries and as a result, not really getting a lot of awards and wins under his belt. And so people feel like, he's pretty much of a has-been athlete. But Yohan has still stayed the course and tried to, get back his health. And so at a recent Diamond League, he, eventually did an interview, a very rare interview, because Blake really did the interview, where he discussed everything in a short time. Take a listen.
I have been trying to catch you, to talk to you for ages. Jamaica Trials, I couldn't catch you. Here, I couldn't catch you, but you finally stopped and I'm so happy. So I just want to get an idea from you about how this year is going for you and what this year means to you. I know you announced it was going to be your final Olympics try. So I just want to know where your head is at.
This brings back memory. Give God thanks, I'm kind of injury-free today. Back with the memories that I caused here in 2012. My head is all over the place right now because what I wanted to do at Jamaican Trials, I didn't get to do. I did want to run my final Olympics, I didn't get to. But the journey continues the same way. It's definitely, it would be my final Olympics. As I said, my own country, Jamaica, doesn't give me the respect, and I'm happy they don't because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So, I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time.
I hear you, and that's a shame. Has that been something that's been the case throughout your whole career?
Yeah, Jamaica love winners, and once they're not win, they're not supporting you. But I don't need their support. I have my own support staff, I have my own support team. I'm myself motivator. This season has been rough, I'm telling you the truth. I've been battling with a lot of injuries. Just fighting the fight because I know to get up. I know that I have tread on the wheel same way because when I look in the race and I see where myself at and I know what is causing my problem, I'm not afraid, so I just keep on working.
Could you give us a little bit of an insight as to what kind of injuries and stuff that you've been battling with, if you're comfortable talking about that?
Yeah, definitely my back has been bothering me. I can't get up and sprint. I have some old injuries. My muscle came off my bone, so I've been when I get my first major injury, a rupture. So I've been battling with my leg hamstring as well. So it's been a fight this season, but people looking from the outside don't know what's going on the inside. So I'll just have to let them talk, and I know that I have a lot of tread on the wheel same way, so I'm still spinning. I've been knocked down so many times, and I know how it feels to stand up. And sometimes God give you a battle, a uphill task that sometimes you yourself seems like you can't fight, but you have to fight, and then probably this is not my season, probably next season, even a better season, so I know what I can do. I've felt it in training, I felt it, and I know it's there. It's just for me to do it.
That is it, and that is it. Definitely going to applaud him for, sharing and talking about his struggles with his injuries and also about how unkind and unforgiving the audience, the track and field audience can be. So my readers, let me know you think more is to come from Yohan Blake. Sound off in the comments. Number 3, Armanii Sumfest. Me hard. I couldn't remember the song. I did feel weird for the start ball out hard. You know what I mean? Say, yeah. Anyway, so dancehall artist Armanii graced the stage for his official debut performer as somebody who has a hit song. It's a different swag that when they jump on the stage, right? And so, of course, a lot of people wanted to see would he deliver, because on the streets he's been developing a reputation for being a very good performer. And so this is a bit of how he dealt with the stage.
The best looking on earth, that's a paradise. Beg you lift up that skirt, make me summarize. Me love a Libra girl like that time every night. She a make you summarize, put the green over the side. And any man will see your body, you say what a sight. Body think a black traffic that I must a kind. You make me fire like I want it when you're sucking night. She a keep it. So baby tell me how you.
That is it, Armanii. No, honestly, this is how you do it. And you know, you have a lot of artists where you see them bust on TikTok and people feel like them only are good on TikTok, like them can't transfer that energy into the regular dancehall spaces and the streets. And Armanii is definitely reminding us that it is indeed possible. Similar to Valiant, that same way where you get a lot of your energy and your cloud from a social media moment. Armanii is also showing, say, you can deliver on stage. And so from the outfit to his catalog, like, and his interaction with the crowd, and him a sing, and him a really give a lot, you have to really commend him and put in at the back of your mind, say, he is definitely an artist to watch, especially when it comes on to performances. So the more hits we get on their belt, you definitely know that he is really going to establish himself as a standout act. And so, you know, another moment is that Charlie, after people did talk about the outfit, and I think afterwards now, when he did go back in their room and relax now, I don't know, when I'm afraid I'm going to post a video here, and my man just did fully in a one shoes? One foot of shoes. One shoes?
You step on a crack, you break your mommy back.
Oh, okay, I saw it go. Okay, I never been in a long time, JCDC festival time, you know, so thanks for the information. All right, take a look. Alright, Burritos, let me know what you thought of Armanii's Sumfest performance. Sound off below. Number 2, Pablo YG versus Drum Me. Alright, Burritos, now let me tell you. You see, Pablo YG is an entertaining artist, and not just because of his songs, not just because of his catalog, but because of his interviews. Like the brother is fully being serious, but we are walking away. Alexa, lock off, turn off. You see me I do my countdown and you're jumping. Nobody I talk to you. That is it, man. Chat too much, man. Me I do my videos are jumping and nobody want to hear you. It's my moment, it's not yours. Okay? If it was a me and you thing, it would have been the Berry and Alexa show. Okay? Just there. You see how me tell you have to watch technology, you know. Gosh. Anyway, so Pablo YG, he's known for, you know, of course, him songs then, but in recent times, he's been pretty much like a walking meme. And so during his Sumfest set, you know, him doing performances, he had a little moment where he never really liked how the drummer was moving when this happened.
Hey, join me, Maria. You know I'm a want it. Don't run for it. I don't want no back. You see me?
Like, I don't understand. Like, this youth is fully being himself and could have been one of the greatest comedians out of Jamaica. And he's not even trying. Him just exists, and these moments are just happening in front of us before our eyes. And so, oh God. Oh Lord, so you know, in an interview with Quest Times, and if I speak to this girl, I'm actually like this girl. Quest Times keep her, me like her energy. She have very good interviewing energy. I mean, I forgot commend it. And so she caught up with Pablo and asked him about how he feel about people using him as a meme, and this is what he shared.
So see a little thing going with Drummy. What going with Drummy?
No going with Drummy. You see me, I just show, remember say, this year now, my plan for this. Relax and deliver. You see me? I don't want to kill up so and the people then can't hear me and thing. You see me? So not going with drumming, I just heal up drumming and make sure drumming members say this way I do and not kill up. You see me? So I don't know going with drumming, man. You see me? I just that.
Yes, so me I tell you the burritos. You see, oftentimes we take things for joke when people are fully being serious and just themselves. I actually did interview Pablo YG at some point in time, and I see him saying they just stay. He's not a character, just him. He may come to the interview and them vibes and a little fresh and a little, you know, but him just interact in a way how him feel comfortable. So Burritos, let me know, do you agree that Pablo is always a walking meme or not? Sound off in the comments. And number one goes to Nigel Boy Sumfest debut. Woo! Wow! Oh God, no man, I wait for energy this take, you know. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Nigel Boy Sumfest debut. No, me tell you, so we had a lot of moments. You had like Lauryn Hill who popped up for, you know, a surprise performance. We had Babyface there sing all of him sang them. And I him sing, I believe in miracle. No, Jesus, you, No, this bad. This bad. All of my auntie, my mother probably look at me now like, this is a shame. All of the songs them used to play the other, you don't remember Babyface? Not one. He have one song with Mariah Carey. You're more than wonderful. No, that's the one that I take care and pit them. Jesus Christ. All right, anyway, we just left that right there. So this is a shame right now. Okay, so Nigel Boy Sumfest performance, like he took to the stage and I'm just like, yo, what am I going to expect? What are we going to see from Nigel Boy? And so leading up, he was telling people that he's going to put on a good show and there's something different. And I don't think he disappointed. So, you know, this Bossy Boy Floyd there and then bring him on. And once he came on, I realized that he had a whole outer space galactic thing that he was trying to create. So they have the robots them there, the dancers them there in them little silver skirt and thing. So there was a full concept like he was, you know, doing something that is not of Earth. And so I'm like, oh, I'm into the concept when you come there and I'm look in mask and him unveil it and it reveal that it was him. And so people did that talk about the fact that he in a file suit. But you have to kind of understand the concept. But outside of that, Jamaican people, we're gonna just joke because we don't have nothing else better to do. We're gonna just joke, right? But he was giving us a concept and he started off with a gospel song and then just layered it, went into a song dedicated to his mother and then, you know, him closed it off with him hits them like Judgment and Continental.
Mommy, I got so Father! That is it, man. You know it already. I just want to say it was a privilege being here and I liked how everything came full circle. That my first ever performance was
survived, but has been making waves on the local and international entertainment scene as a brilliant scholar and a thought-provoking singer with witty and daring lyrics. Nigel Boy, who has been described as the Jamaican Stevie Wonder, has been heating up social media as members of the public respond to his original tracks, Continent, Judgment, Nobody, Karma, and Get Wild.
And so basically I'm just like that. That is exactly how you put together a set. Like, and for his first performance, it was great. And this is what I want to see more of the artists them do. Like, me don't want to see you put on the same show like what you do at every single little taboo and you go here. So we don't want to see the exact same show. Give it some artistry. You get me? Change up your wardrobe. Like, give it something. Give it a concept. Me use this spice to that already. I'm see I Shana make attempt to do that. Even next time I'm all the way without him, we just give more on the stage. You have to treat the Sumfest stage like say you're on Billboard award show or BET or Grammys. Give it something different, right? And so that is what Nigel Boy did, and it is to be commended. And to top it off, he actually walked away with an award from the City Reggae Sumfest. What the name of the award now? And this is the Silver City Award. I think it's a Silver Award for his contribution to music, reggae music, and for that it has to be applauded. So big up yourself, Nigel Boy. All right, burritos, let me know how happy are you to see Nigel Boy deliver on this Sumfest stage like this. Well, that's it, peeps. We've come to the end of another Dutty Berry social media countdown. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button. You know, leave a comment down below, turn on the post notification, share the video with your friends and your family, all of that. Follow me on my social media pages at Dutty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time, which is basically Wednesday. Tata. Huh?
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happened on the week.